but most importantly, I am a student at Westford University College. It was an amazing experience to be among the MBA students, especially today my lecture was about identifying research gap. And the conversation, the energy the students brought in the room was just energetic and mesmerizing. I learned a lot from them as much as they learned from me. Thank you, Westford, for the opportunity.
Okay, so we came out for a game strategy session where we are given tasks and we have to strategize to know how we're going to accomplish the task. The different scenarios and dynamics of the market are brought into play. Then we change our strategies to make sure that we meet up with the different market demands. So it's been an interesting game actually. You could see the crowd behind me. We're sharing and we're trying to make sure that we improve on our strategies to meet up with the current market dynamics. Yes.
We've had a crazy ice-breaking game with football and the tennis ball, and we've been playing, and it showed our leadership skills, and it's been pretty great. And I think you'd be very lucky if you were able to attend one of these amazing boot camps.
Westford University for Bootcamp, getting the opportunity to interact with a lot of professors, a lot of students who are doing the same program that I'm doing.
And at the same time, learn more about, making good decisions, good strategies, and it's been a good experience for me.
It is student-oriented. You have the opportunity to interact with your lecturers, student advisors, get more research and intel into the particular project that you're doing.
The dynamics of management and how to implement strategies of management in our core businesses. I think overall it has been an eventful journey and I'm enjoying it so far, and I hope that as we progress in this journey, it's going to open up my eyes to more global areas of supply chain that I can put into my daily job activities.
I had a very wonderful day of fun. As you can see, it's still going on. It's not just been theoretical lessons for us, it's been a practical and fun experience, and we've learned a lot of concepts on how to practically implement this.
And it's been pretty great. Actually, I walked in this morning knowing no one. I didn't even know the people in my class, but as soon as I got here, there were so many wonderful people I got to meet. I've made so many friends. I'm walking away with so many new ideas. We've got so much key takeaways for our, say, research proposal or whatever. There's so much things that I've learned.
So I'm definitely happy to be in this university. So I want to thank Westford for this opportunity.
Thank you, Westford.